The Dagga Couple's core message is that the prohibition of cannabis is far more harmful than the plant could ever be.
One of the main arguments against us is, what about the children? And people seem to think that if cannabis is legal, now all of a sudden it's going to be sold in schools or something like that.
Yeah.
But the bottom line is that, what about the children right now? What about the fact that they can go and have a whole menu to choose from some dodgy backyard dealer who's not going to ask for an ID? But we always say, what about the old people? What about the old people who have given up using cannabis because it's illegal, but actually need it for their various aches and pains in their later life? And it's been proved that after cannabis legalization in various places around the world, there is an increase in use, but it's amongst the older people.
Another major argument used against Dagga activists is one of mental illness. Myrtle explains that this is the very reason why they are fighting for the legalization, as it means that a regulated system will be put into place.
At first with the children, that it's going to damage the young minds, okay, which is all well and good, and that's why it's a regulated system that we're looking for, not a free-for-all. We're certainly not advocating the use of cannabis for anybody under the age of 18. And then also there's this big argument that cannabis causes schizophrenia. And mental illness is largely misunderstood, even now in the 21st century. And we know for sure that that cannabis certainly helps some people who are having problems with mental illness. And it's not cut and dry.
After 3 postponements, the Dagga Couple's trial of the plant is set to start on the 31st of July in 2017. It will last for 19 court days, and their preparation has been locked down by the Deputy Judge President, Judge Ledwaba, in the Pretoria High Court.
This is very important development for us, because it's been very difficult for our legal team to keep up the momentum with the defendants, the 7 government departments that we've sued. So we now have quite a strict set of deadlines for various evidence has to be in at various times, and there's a road that's been mapped for us for the next just over a year, and we're really pleased about that, because now the defendants don't have any excuse for not meeting those deadlines.
Julian emphasizes that this is a breakthrough, as the state is now acknowledging what a massive civil case the trial of the plant is.
It's this generation's big civil case, and to have 19 days set in a high court for any trial of this magnitude, it's a big thing. And we're happy, we're elated, we're nervous. There's a lot of things we can do wrong, but we've got a brilliant legal team that is putting all the ducks in a row, and we're absolutely confident that the High Court will see our point of view. Because if they don't, they're arguing on the wrong side of history, I'm afraid. Because the walls of prohibition are crumbling the world over. You can't keep arresting people and putting them in jail for what they put in their body.
The Dagga Couple are not alone in the fight for the legalization of marijuana. The following 10 countries are all leading the push for the international marijuana legalization: Czech Republic, Ecuador, Jamaica, Mexico, Canada, Spain, Uruguay, the Netherlands, Argentina and India. Will South Africa join that list in the near future, or will it all go up in smoke? 2017's trial of the plant seems to be the determining decider, and if anything, it will be a blaze. For SABC News in Gauteng, I'm Oosthuizen.